Let's go solar. Are you curious about the financial benefits of going solar? In today's video, we'll explore how solar power can significantly reduce your electricity costs and provide long-term savings. Stick around to learn more. Many people wonder if solar power becomes free after the panels are paid off. Let's break it down for you. When you install solar panels, there is an initial investment. You'll need to pay for the panels, installation, and associated equipment. But here's the exciting part. Once the panels are paid off, you start seeing substantial savings on your electricity bills. By generating your own electricity, you become less dependent on the utility company. You consume the electricity your panels produce, and any excess can be fed back into the grid. In some areas, you can receive credits or compensation for the excess electricity you feed back into the grid. This can further offset your costs. Solar panels require minimal maintenance. Periodic cleaning to remove dirt or debris is recommended, but you can often do it yourself. Occasionally, there might be minor repairs or component replacements, but these costs are relatively low compared to the potential long-term savings. Another advantage of going solar is protection against rising utility rates. As utility rates tend to increase over time, your savings from solar power can grow, providing a form of long-term protection against rising energy costs. So, while solar power isn't entirely free after the panels are paid off, the savings you'll enjoy on your electricity bills can be significant. In summary, going solar can help you take control of your energy costs, reduce your reliance on traditional electricity sources, and provide a sustainable energy solution for the long term. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content about solar power and renewable energy.